This is question 5 from exercise 35.3 in Project Maths 1. A rectangle has a width of x centimeters. Its length is 4 centimeters longer than this. So for part 1 of this, we've got to sketch the rectangle, marking the length and width in terms of x. So if we draw the rectangle like that, the width is x, so that'll be on the short side, and the length is 4 centimeters longer than this, which would be x plus 4, like that. And for part 2, we have to write an expression in x for the area of the rectangle. But the area of a rectangle is the width multiplied by the length, so it's going to be x times x plus 4. And if we multiply that out, we get x squared plus 4x, like that. And then it says, if the area of the rectangle is 21 centimeters squared, we've got to use this information to form an equation. So we have an expression for the area. It's x squared plus 4x. And we're now being told that the area is actually 21, which means that x squared plus 4x is equal to 21. And for part 4 of this question, we have to use the equation to find the value of x. Well, because we have an x squared in our equation, it means that we have a quadratic. So we have to take all of the terms to the left side of the equals and then factorize it. So we take them all over to the left side of the equals first. We get x squared plus 4x minus 21 is equal to 0. And then we factorize. Alright, the first term in each bracket are going to be factors of the first term in our expression. They're going to be factors of x squared, which are x and x. And our second term are going to be factors of minus 21. And we need to pick a pair of factors of minus 21 that sum to 4. But what we'll do first is we'll write out our factors of minus 21. So we're going to have 1 times minus 21, or minus 1 times 21. You'll have 3 times minus 7, or minus 3 times 7. And that's it. Those are the only 4 pairs. So we've got to find out which one of them will sum up to 4. 1 minus 21 is minus 20. That is no use to us. Minus 1 plus 21 is 20. That's no use to us. 3 minus 7 is minus 4. So we're closer, but we're not quite there. But minus 3 plus 7, that's 4. So that one right there, that's going to be our pair. So we're going to put them in. We're going to get x minus 3 and x plus 7, like that. Then we're going to set both of those brackets separately equal to 0. So we're going to go x minus 3 equals 0 and x plus 7 equals 0, which means that x equals 3 and x equals minus 7. But we've got to find the actual value for x. So because x is the length of one of the sides in the rectangle, it cannot be a negative number. You cannot have a line that is minus 7 centimeters long, which means our value for x in this case is x equal to 3. And that is that.